Nice and lovely, guys. So basically, I'm in the kitchen. I'm in the kitchen one more time again. And I'm going to be giving you a recipe. This is specific for weight loss only. If you are interested in weight loss, this is for you. All right? This recipe is for you if you are interested in weight loss. Now, hold on first. I need to find it. Yeah, I find it. Ginger. All right. You can use fresh ginger if you want, but I would suggest to you just use the normal grounded ginger. All right. So basically, I went to the supermarket and I was doing the research on green apple and the garlic, and I recognize that. I know that a lot of people know that garlic and ginger and all these things, they've been using them over the last 200,000 years. So you know that these things is still, up to till today, garlic still one of the most powerful ingredients you could ever work with in your kitchen when you're cooking your food also. All right, so first thing what we're going to do, sorry guys, I'm going to be cutting up two medium-sized apple, and as you can see, I got the knife working right here. All right. So you wash off the apple, and what we're going to do, we're just going to simply cut them up small, just like this. All right. So as I said, 200,000 years they've been using these ingredients, still in use up to till this very day. All right, guys. So I'm just cutting up the apple because I know that the apple is one of the most powerfulest ingredients on the planet. Yeah, man. You just want to get them cut up really small and nice to use, you know. Nice one. And I want to say, the garlic works really well in anything. As I said, sometimes when I'm cooking at home, honestly, I just put the garlic first in the pot, and I'm telling you, it just do the work what you need to do. So as you can see, I'm just cutting up the apple. Lovely, nice. Simple recipe, but really effective. And I just want you guys to just do the same thing at home. Don't be shy. All right? So basically, I'm just gonna simply remove the trash from the garlic. You know the dry bit from the garlic? Yeah. Yeah, man. I'm just moving it at the moment. So that's one garlic done with. All right. You might have said, Chef Ricardo, where you going with? Well, you will see exactly what I'm going with. Let's look what I'm going on right now in the kitchen. I do a lot of healthy eating, weight loss, detoxing, cleansing of the body, making you guys know that, you know what I mean, these ingredients do still work up to this very day. All right. So 3 cloves of garlic inside of it. All right. We don't need more than 3 cloves of garlic, to be honest. All right. What I don't want you to do now, guys, I don't want you to make it and say you're going to put it into your fridge or you want to drink it first thing in the morning. No, that's a red flag. Straight away is a red flag. All right. what I want you to do, guys, is to make this drink, this weight loss recipe instantly and drink it instantly. Don't make it and put it into your fridge. We love make things and put in our fridge. We need to start make things and instantly we use it. All right, now I'm going to get some grounded ginger. All right, I'm getting some grounded ginger. So I'm gonna get roughly about 1 teaspoon. Here it is, 1 teaspoon of grounded ginger, straight inside of it. Do not ask me how long can I wait, do this for how long. I'm gonna explain everything to you. This recipe is a recipe. If you are interested in weight loss and detoxing and cleansing of the body, it is for you. All right? Make sure you're eating healthy. Just don't eat any food. Eat fatty food. Eat junk food. Eat healthy. Eat salad. Eat fruits and all these things. Less oil. Less fatty food. Less junky food and all these things. Let's do it for a week, guys, and see exactly what we're talking about. The reason why I'm not going to put any water into it, because the apple spring, 95% of the apple right now is just water. All right, so all you have to do is give it a shake like this. You don't need to put no honey, you don't need to put no sweetener, you don't need to put no sugar. All you need to do is blend the apple, ginger, and the garlic. Drink it first thing in the morning on an empty stomach or at night before you go to your bed. Here it is. All right. All right, as you can see, still a little bit more left in it to blend. Nice one. So as you can see, that's the recipe right there. I make a little bit of nice, but we all know that, you know what I mean, a little bit of nice is good sometimes. All right, guys. So to be honest with you, this recipe is not a normal recipe, guys, honestly. And as I said, it's a very powerful recipe for you. All right. Very, very powerful recipe. Now, let's pour it out into that glass right now, and I want you guys to see exactly what Chef Ricardo been talking about. All right, now very, very healthy recipe. Just gonna pour it out into the glass. Here it is. You don't need to use any water in it, because if you use water in it, it's just gonna spoil everything. You know what I mean? Sometimes we're using too much water too. All right. Nice one. So this is it right here. I make a little bit of nice with the blender, but you know, I saw it go. A little bit of nice I have to make, and you know what I mean, work it out. But as I said, 95% of it is just straight water, all right? And you know what I mean, the other rest of 5% is just, as I can see it right there, it's just Fiverr, and you know what I mean, it's very, very, very good recipe, guys. And honestly, I know 100% you guys definitely will love this one. All right, please tell a friend, and a friend tell a friend. We have a lot more recipes and a lot more ideas will be coming from Chef Ricardo and the team. And as I said, subscribe is very, very important. And then, you know what I mean, as I said, yeah, this recipe is not a recipe with us. You have to just make it and drink it instantly. All right, instantly drink. Know that. Just don't make it and then you're gonna put it down and say, boy, Chef Ricardo said we must do this and Chef Ricardo said we must do that. No. First thing, make sure you're eating healthy. Let me taste it. Ah, perfect. Perfect for you guys. All right. So basically, it's a recipe. You drink it on an empty stomach before you go to your bed at night. It's like a smoothie. But I'm telling you, it's just very good for you. And honestly, 100% is just an amazing recipe where you guys can make at home. Very good for weight loss and also cleansing of the body and detoxing of the body also. Alright, so we have a lot more recipes like this will be coming and a lot more ideas from Chef Ricardo. So please stay tuned in and just try it. You know what I mean? It might not work for you, it work for someone else. I just saw your recipe them go. Alright? And you know what I mean, as I said, we have a lot more recipe coming and a lot more ideas from Chef Ricardo and the team.